Now we are going to see wires and cables. AC wire, DC wire. This is the different cable. What are the things we are going to use in our modules, our structures, all those things we are going to see in this video. Please come, join. So wires and cables. Electric wires are conducting media made of copper or aluminum and transmit electricity between many devices. They come in several types and size to adequately handle the quantum of load and function in various operations and circumstances. So based on the kilowatt, megawatt, 10 kilowatt, 25, 50, like that, we will put the cables. So, types of cables available in the market: single core cable, 2 core cable, 3 core, 3.5, 4, armorous cable, and armorous cable. So, the and armorous cable. So, these are the cables are market available. Color code for followed. Now India is changed the new color. This is the new Indian cable color. So single phase line, single phase neutral, single phase protective, ground or earth. So normally green color is the earth. Previously black is there. Now it is changed. So 3 phase line L1, L2, 3 phase line L3, 3 phase line L4. So neutral. This 3 phase neutral will be there. So these 3 things will be commonly using. 3 phase protective earth or ground. It is these 2 colors. Commonly green or this is the cable color. Cable tray. In the electrical wiring of building, a cable tray system is used to support, insulate electric cables used for power distributions and communication. Cable tray are used as an alternative to open wiring or electric conduit system and are commonly used for cable management in the commercial and industrial construction. They are especially useful in situations where changes to a wiring system are anticipated, since new cable can be installed by laying them in the tray instead of pulling them through pipes. So this cable tray types most regularly using cable tray types of cable tray. These 4 types of tray are market available. So grimping. Grimping is a joining 2 pieces of metal or other ductile material, usually a wire and metal plate, by deforming one or both of them to hold the other. The bent or deforming is called grimp. Grimping is the most extensively used in metalworking. Crimping is commonly used to fix bullets in their cartridge cases for rapid but lasting electrical connection. Securities lids or metal food cans and many other appliances. Because it can be cold warming technology, crimping can also be used to form a strong bond between work piece and non-metallic component. Gripping. So this is the model of the gripping. Based on the cable we can use it. So solar DC cable, model cable or string cable. This cable are unused and usually integrate into PV model. Panels are equipped with a suitable connection to be interconnected. Here you have little influence on the type of cable used. DC cables, depending on the power output of the model, PV cable with cross sensitive area 2.5 mm square to 4 mm square and 6 mm is usually employed. The DC cable are used outdoor to ensure earth fault and short circuit. The positive and negative cable may not be laid together in some cable. The DC cable between the models as well as between the generator connection box and the solar power inverter are two core cables. Current carrying usual a live red wire and negative blue wire. Both are typically surrounded by insulation layer. So 80% of the outdoor work will be DC power will use, 20% only that inside the house, maximum inside the residence and inside the building, because that the DC is converted after AC. That entire component will use the AC cables. Before the inverter, every component will work as a DC cables. Types of designs: node string system, DC combined box, direct connection. So these are the designing models are available. Correctly size the solar cable and wire in a solar system. It is very, very important. It is essential to use the correct solar cable size when the connecting various components of solar PV system. Correctly sized the solar cable ensure that there is a practically no overheating and very little loss of energy. So we need to connect based on the load of the power. We need to use the cables. Using an undersizing cable not only causes the potential of causing a fire due to overheating, but it also code violation in most jurisdiction. Factors determine the solar wire size. The size of the wire to be used depends on the generating capacity of the solar panel. Large the current generator, bigger the size. If the distance of the solar panel system to be load, greater the distance. So the type of the size wire is only distance and capacity. These two is in a very, very important role. So check the quality of solar cable suitable for a large temperature range, minus 40 degree to plus 90 degree centigrade. Withstand mechanical stress such as compression, tension, bending, and shear load. Abrasion resistant. Therefore, most sheds are made of plastic cross linked using as a electron. Acid and base proof. Flame retardant and halogen free. Halogen free cables have been improved behavior in the case of fire. Short circuit proof even a high temperature. So DC cable, string cable connected the model in the series and to array junction box. DC cable, array cable connected to the array junction box to the PV. Array DC isolated DC cable. DC inverter cable connected to PV, array DC isolated to the inverter, DC cable. Connecting batteries to inverter for system with the battery storage. Battery interconnection for a system with battery storage. Junction box. An electrical junction box is an enclosure housing electrical connection to protect the connection and provide a safety barrier. Electric junction box is the process of insulation. Electric condition determined at the side of cable pass through or joined inside the box. Junction boxes from integral part of circuit protection system where circuit integrated has to be provided as for emergency lighting or emergency power line or the wiring between the nuclear reaction and control rooms. In such a insulation, the fireproofing around the incoming or outgoing cable must also be extended to cover the function junction box to prevent short circuit inside the box during accidental fire. Array junction box. This is the sample junction box. PV string are connected in the junction combiner box with also contain overcurrent protection device and switch disconnector. PV array PV string combined box shall be at least IP59 compliant in accordance with IEC 60529 and shall UV resistor, shall be capable of being reached for inspection, maintenance and repairs. There should be a segregation between positive and negative conductors within a combiner box to minimize the risk. So junction box, this is the sample of junction box, neutral, ground and odd. So overcurrent protection device required for overcurrent OCPD is SPVRT array shall be determined as per junction as per section 6.3 or IEC 62548. String OCP shall be located at the string in subarray or array. Cable in the string combiner box. Subarray OCPD shall be installed in subarray cable in the array combined box. Array OCPD shall be installed at array cable in the application circuit or inverter. OCPD shall be certified to either IEC 60898 -2 or IEC 60947 -2. OCPD shall not politically sensitive. This need a lighting protection system. So they need a lighting protection system shall be assisted and installed according with the IEC. So in lighting protection system is already installed on the building. The lighting that is in the earthing system and lighting system, these are the things are required. Suppose it is in even earthing system also is a very important thing for solar. So the SPVRT system could be integrated into lighting protection system as appropriate in according with the IEC. In case where no lighting system is required on building or in case of free standard array, over voltage protection may still be required to protect the array and the inverter and all parts of the insulation. So based on the size of the thing, we need to put a lighting arrested, lighting protection system we need to put. So earth bonding and arrangement. So the following operation for earthing and bonding of the parts SPV array exit. Functional earth of conductive non-current carrying parts. Earthing for lighting protection. Equipotential bonding to avoid uneven protection across an insulation. Function earthing on one current carrying pole of the SPV array and select SPV array. SLD grid tie system. Single line diagram of rooftop facility. SLD single line diagram. This is the single line diagram. Duration of PV array and losses in the temperature. So based on the contaminant that our electricity will be lost. Temperature 10%. That manufacturing tolerance, shading, orientation, tilt angle, voltage drop, inverter loss due to irradiance level, transforming and AC transmission. So based on that our protecting the generating electricity will be reduced. With this, we are completing this chapter. We will meet in a next chapter. So all the best.